already been destroyed by the SCP Foundation, such as London, New York City, New Delhi, Sydney, Mexico City, and Beijing. If you can hear this message, you are safe for now. The GOC is working with your local authorities to protect you. The Global Occult Coalition will fight to protect humanity. Good luck.